Filters are essential for narrowing down your job search to find the right opportunities. You can filter by location using zip code, city, or near me with geolocation. Choose job categories like retail, warehouse, or hospitality. Filter by experience level from entry level to mid level positions. Set a minimum hourly wage to match your salary expectations. Select work type, part time, full time, or gig opportunities. Filter by employer type, franchises, or independent businesses. Advanced filters help refine further. Choose shift times like nights or weekends. Look for benefits such as health insurance or paid time off. Save your favorite filter sets for repeated searches and quick access. Job alerts notify you of new job postings that match your criteria. Set up alerts by tapping the alerts icon, usually a bell. Define your search criteria, including location, job category, and salary. Choose the frequency of alerts, daily or weekly, and the distance you're willing to travel. Snagajob uses GPS for hyperlocal notifications. You can adjust alerts at any time. First, open the Snagajob app and navigate to the Alerts section. Tap the Create Alert button to start setting up a new job alert. Enter your desired job title and location in the appropriate fields. Use the filter options to specify salary requirements, job type, and other preferences. Choose how often you want to receive alerts, either daily or weekly. Review and confirm your alert settings to save the alert. To manage or delete alerts, return to the Alerts section and tap Edit or Remove on existing alerts. Before applying for jobs on Snagajob, make sure your resume or profile is error-free and highlights your most relevant skills. Tailor your application to each specific job by emphasizing experiences that directly match the job description. For video responses, present yourself professionally. Keep it concise and show genuine enthusiasm. Use the Apply with Indeed feature to leverage your existing Indeed profile across applications. After applying, check your application status regularly and follow up if necessary to stay engaged with employers. Snagajob helped Walmart facilitate over 500,000 applications during peak hiring seasons through targeted filters for store locations and shift preferences. HR experts from organizations like SRM praise Snagajob for democratizing job access, noting that filters reduce bias by focusing on skills rather than resumes. Statistics from Indeed's reports show Snagajob users apply to 3.0 times more jobs than desktop users, with a 65% higher hire rate for filtered searches. With AI-powered matching predicting job fit scores and a mobile-first approach, Snagajob continues to be a powerful tool for finding hourly employment, reducing time to hire by 30% according to internal metrics.